I've been thinking a lot lately about the panic going on around the tech industry right now. If you don't know me or my background, I'm a developer. I organize a local Google developer group, and I spend a massive chunk of my day either writing code, testing out AI tools, or talking to the developers about how they use them. If you look at any tech social media lately, you'll see a lot of doom and gloom. People claim Claude and ChatGPT are going to replace us, or some new AI agent will build entire applications from scratch and make developers obsolete. As someone who writes code every day, I look at it differently. AI tools are basically just the software developer version of Alt1 Toolkit or RuneLite. If you play RuneScape, you know exactly what I mean. If you play entirely vanilla, that's fine, but a huge portion of the player base uses Alt1 or RuneLite. It makes a very grind-heavy game much more enjoyable. It's the ultimate quality of life overlay. Think about doing a master clue scroll. Alt1 puts an overlay right on your screen, solves the slider puzzle instantly, and highlights the exact tiles to click. If you're skilling, AFK Warden tracks your screen and physically pings your headset whenever your overload potion drops, or when your lobby time is about to run out. It's an incredible tool. It boosts your efficiency, but there's a massive distinction. Alt1 doesn't click your mouse for you. If a program physically moves your mouse and clicks a puzzle box, that's botting. If you bot, your account gets banned. That's exactly how I view my day job right now. A lot of our time as developers isn't actually spent inventing brand new algorithms. A lot of it's just the grind, writing boilerplate code, setting up the exact same next routing patterns we've set up 100 times, writing out tedious TypeScript interfaces, or just trying to center a div for the millionth time. This is where AI actually shines. It's a developer overlay. It solves the puzzle boxes in the code base. It speeds up your XP rates at work, but it's still just an overlay. I see newer developers getting themselves into trouble here. People treat AI like it's a botting script. They get a massive feature request, they pass it on to Claude or Codex, take the massive block of code it spits out, and just blindly put it back into the project and hope it works. In developer terms, that's how you break production. An AI doesn't understand the weird business logic of your specific app. Let an AI write entire systems without actually understanding the code, and you create absolute spaghetti. You introduce bugs that look perfectly fine at a glance, but completely shatter the second the user does something unexpected. Think about high-level bossing in RS3. You're fighting Zamorak or Telos, you might have an Alt1 plugin tracking special attacks, telling you exactly what mechanic's coming next. It hands you the information. But if your ability rotation's terrible, or if you panic and miss your defensive cooldowns, you're still going straight to Death's office. Development's exactly the same. An AI can hand you a gorgeous UI component, it can suggest a custom React hook for data fetching, but if you don't actually understand React's rendering lifecycle or how dependency arrays work in use effect hooks, you're going to trigger an infinite loop and crash your user's browser. You need the fundamental skills. You need to know system architecture. You need to know how to read generated code, review it, and decide what needs tweaking to fit your actual system. AI isn't the player, it's the HUD. It's the minimap. It's just a really good plugin. If you're a developer stressed out about the future, stop worrying about it replacing you. Learn how to use the plugins to get better XP rates. Let the AI handle the boring grind. Just keep your hand on the mouse and you're the one playing the game. Anyway, rant over. Catch you guys in the next one.